The last video on this channel was semester 1, and currently I'm in my 6th sem. My engineering is almost going to over. So I wanted to create a video like what I've been doing and what I've been up to. So this is a completely raw video. I have not created a script. I have just listed some bullet points that I'm going to tell about it. So what I've been up to. So I participated in many hackathons. So if you have seen the video of semester 1, I said that I participated in Smart India hackathon. So what happened is the team I was working with, we didn't get selected, but my friend's team, his team got selected, but there was no developer in his team. So I knew React and some of the Firebase stuff at that time. So he called me, and then I got to go in SIH in the finale, which was at BIT Mesra in Ranchi, and we won second runner-up prize there. So the next hackathon I participated was Hack This Fall. So Hack This Fall 3.0. It was in Ahmedabad, and I got my teammates. So I had three teammates, and like वो तीनों Ahmedabad से थे, and I was from Pune. So we won the best project in peer list category. So नीचे के जो दो hackathons है, Waffle Hacks and AppRide, this I participated with one of my junior. His name is Sarvadnya. So Waffle Hacks, which was an MLH member event. So in Waffle Hacks, we hacked for entire 24 hours. So me and my junior, I enjoyed hacking in Waffle Hacks so much. मतलब बहुत मजा आया था उसके साथ hack करने में. And we won the best Google Cloud prize there. So we hosted our website in Google Cloud, and our idea and those things were good. So we won that prize there. एंड एपराइट क्लाउड हैकाथॉन्स, तो मैंने 4 हैकाथॉन्स में पार्ट लिया है, 3 में कुछ ना कुछ मिला है. एपराइट क्लाउड में भी मेरे जूनियर के साथ ही किया था मैंने, बट वी डिडंट विन एनीथिंग देयर. सो वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिला. तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इंटर्नशिप्स. मुझे मेरी पहली इंटर्नशिप मिली थी सेकंड ईयर में. आई शोड हिम दैट आई won a hackathon, आई हैव डन सम प्रोजेक्ट्स, सो यू कैन जस्ट ट्राई मी आउट. एंड आई गॉट इट थ्रू ट्विटर. सो उन्होंने दे पोस्टेड ऑन ट्विटर दैट दे नीड अ फुल स्टैक इंटर्न. So the company's name was Secure Tech. So I joined as a full stack intern there. So there I worked on their new website. I created a blogs page for them. I created a complete blog page for them, and I worked on very interesting stuff there. So I worked for almost 3 months in Secure Tech. So after that I started working in socials. So after 2 months or something, I don't remember, I started working in socials. So it is a creator economy startup, and this was a front end intern position. The fact that it was unpaid, because I got to learn so much there. So I just wanted to contribute in their project. So their complete project is in Next.js, and their backend is in Java. So I wanted to learn all those stuff. So I joined socials, and I worked for almost 2 months there. After that, like, मुझे लगा कि I have learned so much, so I should move to a next position. So then there's a community named JS Lovers. If you are active on Twitter, you would be knowing this. So they host meetups in every cities. So I live in Pune, so they host meetups in Pune, and the organizer of JS Lovers lives in London. So she needed help with with the community management of JS Lovers. So what happened is I was following up with her for the volunteering position in the Pune. But then she told that she needs a community manager for the entire JS Lovers, for regarding the mails, regarding the social media, regarding the designs part and all those things. So she put up a Google form, and I applied there, and I was lucky because from past 10-15 days I was following up with her for the Pune position for volunteering at JS Lovers is free, but this was a position of community manager and work and helping her doing stuff. So this was a paid position. So I worked 2 months here, and it was great managing the community at JS Lovers. So currently I'm working at a Bangalore based real estate startup. So this is also completely remote. So at this time when I'm speaking, I'm working in the startup, and this is also a paid position. So next part, conferences. I've also been to 3 conferences. One was MLH Hackon, which I went in my third sem. My first year was almost over, and then I went to MLH Hackon, which was held in New Delhi. So MLH rolled out their applications that if you want to attend MLH Hackon, then you can fill this form. And 1 month back, I won Smart India Hackathon, so I think that was the reason that I got selected to attend MLH Hackathon, because MLH is a hackathon driven community. So I think I wrote in my application properly that what things I learned from the hackathon and all those things. So I got selected in these conferences, and it was one of the best conferences I've been to. Second one was React Nexus. ये Bangalore में हुआ था. So this was a completely React.js focused conference. I got the ticket for the React Nexus in a Twitter giveaway. So इसका टिकट तो ऑलमोस्ट 8 या 9 हज़ार था. but I got it. So I am a student, I cannot afford that much, so I got it in Twitter giveaway. So फिर मैं वहाँ भी चला गया. And you remember I mentioned that I was working with a startup, Secure Tech. So that is a Web3 startup. One of the team member from our team, SecureTech, was going to give a talk in Web3 Conf. So I also went there. So it was also a pretty good conference. ये सब तो पुरानी बातें हो गई. So what I am trying currently. So अभी like I'm trying to get freelancing clients. तो मुझे अभी एक freelancing platform से एक USA का client मिला है. So I'm working with him, and I'm also talk with an Indian startup. So they want to build their platform. So I'm in talks with them, and I think it will be converted. What are my plans in future for this channel? So for this channel, and for of course for my career, so I want to start doing DSA. So जितना भी मैंने अभी तक बताया सब कुछ डेवलपमेंट में है. So I mostly do development in Merge Stack, React.js for front end and Node for back end. थर्ड ईयर आ गया है, कंपनीज आने वाली है, बाहर भी अप्लाई करना है, थोड़ा तो DSA आना चाहिए. सो आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट डूइंग DSA. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू 2 क्वेश्चंस पर डे, एंड आई एम सो करंटली आई एम में 6 सेम. सो आई एम प्लानिंग कि जब तक मैं अपने 7th सेम में जाऊँगा, सो आई विल कवर द एंटायर DSA, ताकि फिर मैं इंटरव्यू राउंड में ऐसा ना हो जाए कि लाइक आई ओनली गेट रिजेक्टेड ड्यू टू माई DSA skills, जबकि मुझे डेवलपमेंट आता है. And this year I'm also going to apply in GSOC. So currently I'm contributing in 1-2 organizations. I want to build a good product. So जब मैंने कोडिंग स्टार्ट की थी सब लोग बोलते थे दैट लर्न टू कोड, इफ़ यू विल गेट एन आइडिया यू कैन बिल्ड समथिंग. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती है, मुझे कोई आइडिया आया, मुझे वो बिल्ड करना है, तो मैं कैसे करूँगा. सो करेंटली आई नो हाउ टू कोड, बट आई नीड गुड प्रोडक्ट आइडियाज टू बिल्ड अपॉन एंड देन रीट्रेट. प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना तो प्रोजेक्ट बन जाएगा, रेज्यूमे में काम आ जाएगा, but I want to build something. So my plan for next year is to aim for a remote internship, and of course I'm also going to start reviving this channel. I'll put more content on this channel. तो ये तो मैंने 2 साल का बताया जितना भी मैंने किया है. So I'm planning to release a video in a week or 2. मतलब हर 2 हफ्ते में एक वीडियो आएगा, या 1 हफ्ते में एक वीडियो आएगा, या फिर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, कुछ बना रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, उसका वीडियो आ जाएगा. So I like to document things. एंड मैं ये वीडियो भी मैंने उसी के लिए बनाया था क्योंकि मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा गैप हो गया था, एंड आई वांटेड टू डॉक्यूमेंट दिस थिंग्स. सो या, इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो, लाइक इट, सब्सक्राइब, नीचे लिंक्स है, देख लो, कुछ भी करो. बाय बाय.